I'll guide you through the process of opening a PayPal dispute and escalating it to a formal claim without the stress of losing your hard-earned money to a dishonest seller. If you're ready, click the subscribe button and let's get started. To start a dispute on PayPal, open your browser and head to paypal.com. Click the gear icon and select Resolution Center, Activity, where all purchase protection cases are handled. Tap Report a Problem and select the specific transaction. Choose the reason for your dispute, such as item not received or significantly not as described, to ensure PayPal applies the correct policy to your case. Provide a clear explanation and, if necessary, upload photos of damaged items or screenshots of tracking info to build a strong evidence file for your defense. If you're using the mobile app, go to your Activity tab and tap the specific transaction. Tap the Report a Problem link at the bottom of the details page. Submit your issue through the app to immediately notify the seller that you are seeking a formal resolution. Check your resolution center daily to respond to the seller's messages, as you must try to work it out directly for the first 20 days. If the seller is unhelpful or silent for at least 7 days, which officially asks PayPal to step in and make a final decision, click Escalate to a claim. Keep a close eye on your email for PayPal's verdict, which usually arrives within 14 to 30 days of the case being escalated. Here's a breakdown of PayPal dispute filing timeframes. For an item not received, a dispute must be opened within 180 days of the date you sent the payment to the seller. For items significantly not as described, a dispute must be opened within 30 days of the date of delivery or fulfillment of an order, or within 180 days of the date you sent the payment to the seller, whichever is sooner. For unauthorized transactions, you should contact PayPal immediately. For other errors, excluding unauthorized transactions, notify PayPal as soon as you can, no later than 60 days after receiving the first statement on which the problem or error appeared. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.